Chapter 14 Factorization. Now let's recall the identities. First identity, a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to a plus b whole square. Second identity, a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to a minus b whole square. Third identity, a square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b.
Hello dear student, here exercise 14.1 of chapter 14 factorization is on your screen. The question number 1 of the exercise says find the common factors of the given terms, right? Here we are given terms. Let's take the first one. First term we are given is 12x, the another term is 36. So, first of all, let's take out the factors of 12x. As we know that 12 is having factor 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 3 into x. These are the factors of 12x. Let's work out on 36. We know 36 is having factor 2 18 ja, then 2 9 ja 18 and 3 3 ja 9. 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36. These are the factors of 36. Now we need to mention the common factor of them. So we need to write here common factor equal to. Which are the common factors? You can see here 2 and 2 is common. Here also 2 common. Here 3 present in that. In this also 3 is here. So dear student, here 2 into 2. So the common factors are here 2 common. From these 2 common and 3 is common in both of these. So dear student, the common factors are 2 into 2 into 3, that is 12. So the answer is 12. Similarly, let's work out for the second. The first term in the second question we are given is 2y, 22xy. Fine. So in that, let's go with 2y. The factors of 2y are 2 into y. Let's work out on another term 22xy. First of all, the factors of 22 are 2 into 11. We know that 2 into 11, 22, and this x and this is y. Here, now out of these, this first term and second term, its the factors are here. Which are common factors? Let's work out upon them. So dear student, here we can see 2 is present in both of these terms. So 2 is common. Except 2, we can see y is present in this term also and here also. So it is 2 into y. So finally, we can say that the common factor in both of these two terms are 2 into y, that is 2y. So let's work out on the next. The third is on your screen. We are given the first term is 14 pq and the second term is 28 p square q. So my dear student, first of all, let's take out the factors of 14 pq. We know that the factors of 14 are 2 into 7. 2 7 ja 14. So 2 into 7. What about this PQ? PQ can be written as P into Q. Let's work out on the another term. We are given 28P square Q square. First of all, work out on 28. What are the factors of 28? Of course, the factors of 28 are 2 into 2 into 7. What about this p square? P square 2 times, so p into p. What about q square? That is q into q. So, my dear student, out of these two terms, let's take out the common factor. 2 is present in first term and in second term both. So, here common factor 2. Except 2, you can see 7 lies in both of these terms. Fine. So, it is common. Further, P is common in both of these terms and Q is common in both of these terms. So, finally, the common factors are 2 into 7 into P into Q. 2 7 ja 14 PQ. Answer is 14 PQ. This is common factor. Yes. Now, let's move with the fourth question. The fourth question in that we are given first term is 2x, second term is 3x square and third term is 4. First I am choosing 2x. The factors of 2x are 2 into x. Now second is 3x square. The factors of 3x square in that the factor of 3 is 3 and x square is x into x. Let's work out on the third term is also 4. The factors of 4 are 2 into 2. So, my dear student, let's take out common factor. Common factor means CF in short I am mentioning here. Common factors are, which are they? Observe carefully. Of course here 2 common, but no such a 2 is in this. So we can't take out 2 common. Now x is present here, it is present here, but it doesn't here. So x we can't take out common. So in such a case where nothing is common, dear student, please consider 1 as a common factor. As we know that 1 is a common factor of each and every number or a term in that. So this is the required. So, my dear students, fifth is on your screen. First term we are given is 6abc. Second term in that 24ab square. And third term is 12a square. So, first of all, let me begin with 6abc. The factors of 6 are 2 into 3. Fine. What about ABC? A into B into C. Let's work out on this 24ab square. Now 24 is having factors 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, right? And what about AB square? AB square in that A 1 time and in B square B into B 2 times. Here. Now the third term which we are given is 12a square B. What are the factors of 12 here? We know that is 2 into 2 into 3. What about a square? A square 2 times. So a into a and this is b. Let's take out common factor, that is CF. Okay. So please write down CF equal to, that is common factor. Let me note down common factors are, you can see 2, 2, 2 present all the way. So I am writing 2 here. Beside this 3, 3, 3 present in all 3 terms except this A and A. One time A common. B, B, B. That is B. But C is not present in this second term and it is not present in third term even. So dear student, the final common factors are these only. Now let's multiply. So if I multiply 2 3 cha 6ab. That is 6ab common factor of 2b. So the sixth is on your screen. 3 terms we are given. 16x cube minus 4x square and 32x. Okay. Let's work out one by one and get the factors of each and every term. First, we are given 16x cube. Dear student, we know the factors of 16 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 times, that is 16. What about x cube? X cube indicate 3 times x. So x into x 3 times. Let's move with the second term which we are given minus 4x square. Here as it is minus, so one time only minus we will mention, and let's have the factors of 4. They are 2 into 2. It is compulsory to mention the sign in the beginning only, and the factors of 4 are 2 to the 4. What about x square? X square indicate 2 times x, that is x into x. Okay. Now the third term. Third term we are given 32x. What are the factors of 32? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times? 32. So 2 will be 5 times. And this x alone. Fine. So these are the factors of all these three terms. Now, let's take out common factors. So, 2, this 2 and this 2 common. Let's note down. One more time, 2, 2 common. One more time possible? No, because here it is available. But in the second term, no more 2 are common. Is common. Here it is common, so but we will not mention only 2. What about x? X one time and one time. So dear student, these are the common factors. 2 to the 4 into x, that is 4x. So common factor is 4x of this three terms. So dear students, 7th is on your screen here. You can see 10 PQ, 20 QR and 30 RP. This is R. This is R. Okay, please consider this R 30 RP. So let's work out on first 10 PQ. What are the factors of 10? 2 into 5 and P into 2. What about 20 QR? Let's work out. 20 is having factors 2 into 2 into 5. What about Q into R? That is 2 into R. Now go with the 30 RP. 30 is having factor 2 into 3 into 5. That is 30. And R into P, that is R into P. Clear to you? Now let's note down the common factors in all these three terms. CF common factors are, you can see here 2 is present in all three terms all the way. 2, 2, 2. So let me note down 2. Is there any other number? Here it is 5, 5, 5. Yes, 5 is also common. So let me write 5. Now, here P common, it lies here also, but it doesn't lie in second term. So we can't take out until and unless it should present in all three terms. Here you can see Q is present in first term and in second term also, but it doesn't lies in third term. So we can't take out Q common. Similarly, R is present here in the second term and in third term, but it doesn't lie in first term, so we can't take out common. So finally, I can say the common factors of these three terms are 2 into 5, that is 10. So this is required. Yes. It is here on your screen. 3x square y cube, 10x cube y square and 6x square y square z. Three terms are given. Let's sort out one by one. First term we are given 3x square y cube. So my dear student, the factors of 3 is 3 into 1. You can write only 3, that is enough. And x square, it means x 2 times x into x. Y cube indicate y 3 times y into y into y. Let's move with this 10x cube y square. What about 10? 2 5 ja 10. X cube means x into x 3 times. Y square means y into y 2 times. Fine. Now let's move with the third term, that is 6x square y square z. The factors of 6 are 2 into 3. Factors of x square are x into x 2 times, y square indicate y into y 2 times, and z 1 time. Clear? So the common factor, let's note down now. In all these three terms, which are common factor? Here you can see, here student, here 3 is present, here numerical 2 and 5 and 2 and 3. None of the number which is present in all these three terms, because you can see 3 is present here and it present in the third term, but it is not present in the second term. Similarly, you can see 2 is present in the second term and in the third term, but it doesn't lie in first term. So no such a numerical number except 1, which can be common. So 1 is not necessary to mention. Beside this, let's work out on x. X one time, one time, one time. One more time x, one more time x is common. So let me write x. Y is here common one time, one time, one time. Beside this, y is common here one time, one time, one time. So let me write y here. Here, no such factors means z is not present in any of this first and second term. So nothing common. This much is only common. The final answer we need to mention common factors are x into x is x square, y into y is y square. So my dear student, these are the solutions. This is the solution of question number 1. Complete question.